Hey guys, I'm Zaina from Zen and Za'atar, and I make delicious and creative plant-based recipes that you can make at home. Today I'll be showing you how to make these beautiful cauliflower flour black bean tostadas, and it's using Navitas Organics cauliflower flour. They're topped with a black bean mixture and salsa, and I'll even show you how to make these quick pickled red onions. So without further ado, let's get into it. First, we're going to prepare the pickled red onions. Start off by slicing a red onion into thin strands. Then put the red onion slices into a mason jar. Cover it with half a cup of boiling water and then push the onions down to submerge them. Then add half a cup of apple cider vinegar and any seasonings that you'd like. Close the lid tightly and mix it to combine, then set it aside until we're done cooking. To a large mixing bowl, add 1 cup of Navitas Organics cauliflower flour, 6 tablespoons of tapioca flour, salt, and a tablespoon of nutritional yeast for flavor. Then mix the dry ingredients. Then add 6 tablespoons of aquafaba and 1 cup of water. Mix and add a couple more tablespoons of water if needed. It should form a dough that holds together like so. Flatten it out slightly and then cut it into 8 pieces as evenly as possible. Roll each of the 8 pieces of dough into a ball and set aside. Grease a plastic bag or use 2 sheets of parchment paper to flatten the ball in between them. Place a ball of dough in the bag, flatten it out slightly, and then roll it with a rolling pin out into a thin tortilla. It's delicate being vegan and gluten-free, so carefully remove it from the bag and transfer the tortilla directly to a heated skillet. Cook the cauliflower tortilla for 1 minute on each side before flipping. Once it's flipped, brush each side of the cauliflower tortilla with oil before flipping it again. Make sure the oil tortilla gets super crispy on both sides before transferring it to a plate. Next, let's prepare the black bean filling. Dice half of a yellow onion. Add a couple tablespoons of oil to a heated skillet and then add the diced onion. Cook it until it's translucent and begins to brown before adding garlic and sauteing for a few minutes. Then add rinsed and drained organic black beans, half a cup of water, and salt. Add chili powder, oregano, cumin, and paprika. Cook until the water evaporates and mash some of the beans slightly as you cook them. Then it's time to assemble your tostada.
Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you loved this recipe. Let's go ahead and taste this now and see how they turned out. Let me try some with an onion too.
It's really delicious, guys. If you love this recipe, make sure to subscribe so you don't miss any new recipes. See you next time.